Okay, I'm back with another question a student had about the assignment. So I'm doing a similar question here. And the one I'm going to look at is in exercise 6.6, number 5. So a $1,000 loan at 5.5% was repaid by two equal payments made 30 days and 60 days after the date of the loan. Determine the amount of each payment. So again, go back to your timeline to figure out what it is we're trying to calculate here. So I posted this one. So we have a $1,000 loan that's going to be repaid in two equal payments, one in 30 days, one in 60 days. And we're told the loan was at 5.5%. Yes, right here. So I jotted that down. So now we need to determine what's the value of X. Well, the loan amount is equal to the present value of all the loan payments. So we need to get so therefore we know that the loan amount of $1,000 is equal to the present value of this payment, payment 1, and the present value of payment 2. So we need to work out what those payments are worth. So the present value of payment 1, so the formula, which was given to us in the chapter, and now we can fill in. We don't know the amount here, but 1 plus R, which is the rate, and we know that was 5.5%, and we know the date, the time, was 30 days. So we can fill in this much of the information. So X over 1 plus 0.055 times 30 over 365. We can work out this bottom portion to get this number, and then just this part here is just basic math. It's nothing to do with the finance course that we're looking at here now. It's just basic math. So X over, I'm not going to read out the whole long number, but X over this is equal to 0.99 blah 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 X. And then we do the same thing for payment 2. We put in the formula for the present value. We fill in the numbers that we know, which is the rate and the time, and at this time it was 60 days. We work out the math, and we get to this final number. So therefore, we know that 1,000, which is the value of the loan, is equal to the amount of payment 1, the present value of payment 1 here, which I've moved down, and the present value of payment 2. Now, what the next step I've done then is I've added these two together. So 1,000 equals these two together. Then, because we have X over here, only we want to isolate our X, so we're going to divide by this amount, which a number over itself is 1, so that leaves us with X. And on this side we divide the 1,000 by the same number, which gives us 503.39. So that's the value of X. So two payments of 503, I think I said 39? Yeah. Two payments of 503.39, one at 30 days and one at 60 days, will pay off this $1,000 loan. So as you can see, the starting point should always be drawing your timeline so that you can visualize what it is you need to calculate.